Imagine a city cloaked in a thick, grey shroud. The air is heavy, stinging your nostrils with each breath. This is the reality for millions living in the world's most polluted cities. Now envision a city bathed in sunlight, with clear blue skies stretching above. The air is fresh, carrying the scent of blooming flowers and freshly cut grass. This is the promise of clean air. These contrasting scenes highlight the stark reality of our planet. Some cities struggle to breathe, while others offer a glimpse of a healthier future. In polluted cities, life is a constant battle against the air itself. Children grow up with respiratory problems. The elderly struggle to draw a full breath. Daily activities, even simple walks, become a risk. Tourism suffers. Who wants to spend their holiday shrouded in smog, unable to enjoy the sights? That's why all of us who love to travel around the globe must research and be informed about the destinations we plan to visit. The economic impact is undeniable for polluted cities. Pollution costs lives and livelihoods. The World Health Organization sets clear guidelines for air quality. These guidelines are crucial for protecting human health. Sadly, the vast majority of the world's cities fail to meet these standards. The consequences are dire. Millions suffer from respiratory illnesses, heart disease, and even cancer, all linked to air pollution. This is a global health crisis demanding immediate attention. Some cities bear a heavier burden than others. Cities like Lahore, Pakistan, and Delhi, India, consistently rank among the most polluted. Their air is a toxic cocktail of vehicle emissions, industrial waste, and smoke from coal-fired power plants. Rapid industrialization and urbanization, coupled with lax environmental regulations, have created this crisis. But there is hope. The fight for clean air is gaining momentum. Beacons of hope, cities leading the charge for clean air. Across the globe, cities are taking action. Copenhagen, Denmark, with its extensive cycling infrastructure and green spaces, is a shining example. Zurich, Switzerland, prioritizes public transport and renewable energy. These cities, among others, demonstrate that change is possible. By investing in sustainable solutions, they protect their citizens' health and attract tourists seeking clean, livable environments. A global call to action, international agreements, and technological innovations. The fight for clean air requires a global effort. The Paris Agreement, a landmark accord signed by nearly 200 countries, aims to combat climate change, a major driver of air pollution. Technological advancements also offer hope. Electric vehicles are gaining popularity, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Innovative air purifiers help clean the air in homes and offices. Your choice, your impact, everyday actions for a breathable future. Each of us has a role to play. Choosing to walk, cycle, or use public transport instead of driving alone makes a difference. Supporting businesses committed to sustainable practices and advocating for stricter environmental regulations are crucial steps. Remember, even small changes, when adopted by millions, can create a ripple effect leading to a cleaner, healthier planet. Turning the tide. Signs of progress and reasons for optimism. The fight is far from over, but there are glimmers of hope. Some cities are witnessing improvements in air quality thanks to concerted efforts. Public awareness is growing, and more people are demanding action from their leaders. The transition to a cleaner future won't be easy, but it is essential. Our health, our economies, and the future of our planet depend on it. A breath of fresh air for generations to come. Imagine a future where every city offers its inhabitants a breath of fresh air. A future where children can play outside without fear. A future where clean air is not a luxury, but a right enjoyed by all. This is the future we must strive for. By working together, we can create a world where everyone can breathe freely and live healthy, fulfilling lives. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.